Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn education logo design. Let us start. First, select the ellipse tool. Create the circle. Draw another small circle. To select a shape, go to Pathfinder tool. Shape the Unite. Select the direct selection. Select two corners, round them. Select the rounded rectangle tool. Create the rectangle. Create another small rectangle. Select all shapes and align. Create the rectangle. Press Ctrl D to copy the duplicate. Select Ctrl A. Select the Ship Builder tool and remove the undershape. Change stroke color under fill. Select all shapes and group. Select the pen tool, and create the pen shape. OK, ready pan shape. Select all select. Select Shape Builder tool, remove the shape. Select the pen tool to create the book shape. Adjust the book size. Create the polygon shape. Adjust the polygon shape. Using the direct selection tool, we will select the center corner of the polygon shape and bring it down a bit. Using the direct selection tool, we will select the side corner of the polygon shape and bring it slightly inwards. Hit the rectangle. Shield apart, remove. Right-click in the shape, go to Transform Form and Reflect. Select Two-Part and the United. Round the corner of the shield. Create an offset path of the shield. Delete the spare corner of the shield. Create another offset path. Select all parts. Remove both parts inside the shield. Adjust the education icon in the middle of the shield. Select the pen tool and draw a line and create a curve. Select the brush tool and select the leaf brush. Select the object menu. Expand. Right-click on the leaf shape, go to Transform and Reflect. Adjust the shape of the leaves in the layout. Create a ribbon for text. and add text to it. Okay, good, school logo design is ready. Thank you for watching my video.